So how do you say hello?
They get help from the Spitler, from Rock Scholar, from the yes. They mean the children who study here, they live around this area. Yes.
This is our kindergarten class. Yeah. The only class.
Did they start learning English at this young age?
No, they don't.
How old when they start learning English?
But at the age of 6.
Okay.
6, yeah.
Hello. Whoa. Bones.
Oh, got it!
All right, hit this one.
Nice! Hey! Oh!
I got you!
Jumper! Oh!
We're going to the English class now.
In English class, and the students inside are grade 1 students.
To go inside?
Yeah, you can go inside.
Do you want to see some activities before we start our lesson?
Sure.
Yes. Tập bây giờ con ăn ở sẵn lên thích. Just stand up. Stand up. Start up. Side. Down. Up. Side. Down.
Yes.
Okay, let's sing all together. Okay. Let's sing everything. One, two, three.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Our last stop is our computer lab.
Okay.
Would you like to know how children learn computer?
Yes, let's go. Let's go. So the students start learning English at age 6. When do they start learning the computer?
When they are in grade 4.
Okay.
4, 5, 6.
Okay.
You know how many characters we have in total? 74.
Oh,
Yeah.
too many.
33 of them are consonant and the rest are vowel.
the alphabet. Sometimes they have to push 2 or 3 keys to get the letter because there's so many more letters in the Khmer.
Once they have mastered all the timing here, they can do Word documents and spreadsheets.
Lần sau Cambodia Cambodia and Thailand Cambodia and Thailand.
What? Ah, magic. You know magic? Hello.
Hi.
I'll hit it. Ready? Oh, too high. Too high. Whoa!
There we go. Oh, wait, that's it. Okay, there we go. All right.
Bye.